guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all the bell notification, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, Laura Forde's Videos too, so be sure to go across there, check it out, and of course don't forget to subscribe over on that end as well. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Okay, so in order to make our corn tortilla, we need to get what is called maseca flour. We're going to need 2 cups of this flour. Yeah. This is a cup. This is 2 cups. Alright, now traditionally this is all you need. You just use the maseca flour alone. But I'm going to add some sea salt. This is 1 teaspoon. And I'm going to add some sugar. This is 2 teaspoons. So you're breaking away from the traditional way of doing it. Just going to mix it together. Okay, so to the 2 cups of flour, the maseca flour, you're going to add 1.5 cups of water. Okay. I am squeezing the flour in my hand because I want to make sure that everything is hydrated. Okay guys, so I didn't have to use all of my water. I don't see the need to add it to it. It feels moist enough, so I would just I won't add any more at this point in time. Alright, so what we're going to do now is form this into smaller balls, because now we need to use our tortilla press in order to press out our tortillas. Okay, so here we have all our balls here, and so now we're going to press them out. Okay guys, so I'm just going to show you how I press out my my corn tortillas. So I have a press here, a tortilla press, and I just put some I cut a Ziploc bag. This is the freezer bags. I cut it so that it can open out like this, and I just lay it down. I put it here, the ball in the middle here, close down the plastic, and then you just press it. And there you have your tortilla here. So that's how I do it. Alright, so let's get to cooking it. So the first method I'm going to show you now is the unhealthy method, and that is we're going to be deep frying these corn tortillas, and then I'll show you the other traditional way of doing it. Okay, so now that our oil is hot, we're going to drop in our tortilla. you can deep fry this to your preference in terms of how crispy or crunchy you want it. It won't get totally like crispy and crunchy, but if you allow it to get a nice golden brown color, you will get some places be nice and crunchy, and other places will be still kind of soft. I'm gonna let this one go a little bit until I get a little color, a little browning on it. I'm not going to do much with this method because, like I said, it's a lot of oil. So I'm probably going to do 1 or 2 like this, and then I will show you the other way of preparing your corn tortillas. Okay guys, so I think I'm going to take out this one now. It has a nice golden color, as you can see. So I'm going to take it out now. And I just have some paper towels here that I'm just going to put it on for it to drain on. So this is one way of doing it. You can deep fry your corn tortillas. So let's move on to the other method of preparing it, or cooking your corn tortillas. Okay, so the other way of preparing the corn tortilla is using a pan or a hot plate. And I just have a very thin layer of oil on this. It's very thin. And we just would cook it on the both sides. Now guys, something I forgot to mention. When you take out your corn tortillas, you would want to cover it. So if you have like cloth, you can put it in and then cover it. So in that way, it helps it to remain nice and soft and pliable.